5 scientific study tips to crack your exams easily. If you are watching this video, you are probably trying to study for your exams, but you feel like you do not understand anything, and you are looking for a hack to help you understand and ace your exams. Exams are stressful, and we know that. But what if we told you that there is a way for you to study and comprehend almost all of your material? What if we told you there was a way to ace your exams without cheating? Hello, and welcome back to our channel, Brainformation. Join us as we go through the 5 scientific study tips to help you crack your exams easily and get that grade you deserve. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing content. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. Number 5. Say no to cramming. As your exams are closer, you might feel like the only way to pass is by cramming. However, cramming will just cause you more damage than good. Instead, what you need to do is study at intervals. You can even set a timer to help you with this. You can study for between 20 to 15 minutes and then take up a 5 to 10 minute break. This will help you, as your mind will be taking some rest. That rest ensures that your mind can also retain things for a longer period. Number 4. Do some exercise. Exercise increases your energy level, which in turn reduces the effects of stress. So whether you are running, dancing, jogging, or just walking, as long as it is exercise, it counts. You can even set a goal of exercising for at least 150 minutes per week. But all in all, make it a habit. Number 3. Eat. Whatever you eat is important, not only for your health but also for your mind. On the day of the test, make sure that you have a healthy breakfast. For more benefits, make sure it is rich in proteins. During the day as you study, get yourself some healthy snacks. They really help. Number 2. Find alternative study spots. Sometimes all you need is a change of scenery. As much as you already have that spot that gives you comfort and peace, you may find that you can study better in a different place. This really goes a long way toward helping your retention of information. Number 1. Manage your time. Create some sort of timetable or schedule. If you have a balanced study plan and schedule, you will be able to cover each subject in its entirety. This will definitely boost your test performance, so give it a try and see if it works. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel Brainformation and hit that bell icon for more brain brewing contents. We'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye!